Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about a guide to Earth's mightiest shakes part 1. So basically it's about Nepal earthquake. Earthquake on November 3rd, 2023 at 11 o'clock. Almost
This
midnight.
is 11. This is 11.
Yeah.
This is almost midnight. 12 is midnight. And why we want to do this because we have family in Nepal. So
Yeah. So let's get started, Lina. So what is an earthquake? What you see in the picture?
what I see in the picture is that somebody pulled around. Actually, we have to read this to do it.
Yeah, no, first let's explain the picture, then we can read.
So for example, I'm saying what is in there. So for example, somebody pulls the carpet and you're on that carpet.
So you shake.
Yeah, then you shake like an earthquake.
So for example, if I have something in my hand and if somebody take the carpet from my feet, what will happen to me?
You will fall and that thing.
I get tripped. Yeah. And then everything will be everywhere.
Yeah.
So kind of like shaky.
So like I have a paper, right? I have a paper. Pretend this is a rug. And then somebody just comes on and pull. Just drops, right?
Yeah. So the books are down, like there is a
and
book.
This is maybe that happened because it said one of the books is
shake. Yeah. And the boy, what is his reaction? The man's reaction.
He's closing his eyes.
He's closing his eyes.
He's like, I'm so scared.
Yeah. Seems like he's also shaky. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the things are flying.
Yeah, okay, let's get
So now let's go see our definition. Imagine you are on a rock and someone give it a quick shake. Yeah, that's what we explained.
Yep. Everything on the rug jumps around, right?
Right. It's similar to what happens during an earthquake. So a typical earthquake. What we can see in a typical earthquake, or what can we experience in typical earthquake? So we have some pictures here.
We said select.
Yeah. So what do you see?
So I see that two buses, have fell into the river. This is actually not a river. This used to be the road.
Oh wow.
This all used to be the road.
I see the house got burned out.
Some got burned out, and then volcano erupted.
The birds are flying.
Yeah, but some houses stayed still.
Yeah, so it seems like some houses are very strong built.
Oh yeah, and it has gone into the forest.
I heard that when it's earthquake, the birds can feel it, and they become very noisy.
Even though they are flying.
Yeah, I heard from your daddy.
Oh.
Okay, what else we see?
I also
the roads get cracked. That's what you say. The rivers.
Oh yeah. No, that's the road. I said that. And then these are actually trees. They might have been roots of trees, or there's like a tree right here, and then it falls down into.
Yeah, looks scary. Oh God. Okay, let's see.
And there's this little island, and there's fire, and then you see this part. There's fire.
I just wonder, Lina, why houses get fire? How houses get fire?
Because you know how wood makes fire, right? Like if you do it on a rock, it makes fire, right?
Two rocks shake. Yeah.
Yeah, wood plus something, plus earthquake makes kaboom. Nothing.
Yeah. So
it makes actually makes.
Yeah. So what I
crumbles.
think, Lina. So maybe in the houses we have a wire, right? We can see that it's wire everywhere. So when wire and wire get attached together, it causes fire.
I think the earthquake's happening right now.
Okay, let's see what is our written portion. So building damage, road damage. That's what we say.
Okay, animal behavior. Oh yeah, animals could get like animal
gets wild. Yeah.
Animal behavior tree damage. See?
Yeah, noise, fire, and
Yeah,
volcano.
my mom was talking about the noise.
Yeah, the people get scared and they make a noise too, right? Okay,
Oh, and the volcano erupted.
let's go to the
I said
next
that.
slide. A typical earthquake continues. What else we see in the
So,
bigger version?
if you live by an ocean,
Mhm.
terrifying. If a earthquake happens,
It is. So
this
what you
could
see?
happen.
What is that?
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
It starts with a T,
Mhm.
but the T is silent.
Yeah, and sinkholes.
Oh, sinkholes are these, and then this is also sinkhole actually.
Wow, it's so
There was
scary.
one in the other one, like like the road. It was gone, right? So that's a sinkhole. This is gone. This is gone, right? So
Yeah, and then
and then if you live very close to the ocean, this what will happen to your house.
yeah, you want to go into the sinkhole and all the oceans come and then destroy everything.
No. So it's a tsunami, right?
Yeah.
But then there's sinkholes.
So tsunami is normally happen in the ocean. So earthquake in the ocean.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so another question: who is causing an earthquake? What do you think? This man?
Guys?
These guys?
No.
Big no.
Yeah, but this guy's doing nothing.
So a typical people thinks in an ancient time it's the God. When God gets mad, they shake that, or devil comes
but
on the earth.
And if God shake the whole entire earth, that cannot happen. The whole entire earth cannot get earthquaked. I actually
it's different. Same one little portion, right? You had a concept that earthquake means whole earth get shake, right?
No, but then I'm like, wait, what? I'm so confused. How did the earthquake touch Nepal, but not here?
In Canada.
Because doesn't the whole earth shake?
That's why we have this. And why it caused, we will see in the number 2 part. So definitely not these guys who causing the earthquake. So the question is, who caused the earthquake? How it caused? Let's go see the next.
I actually don't know. Yeah, now I remember.
So there you go. Cause of an earthquake is not those guys.
No, but an earthquake is... Wait, let's explain the pictures first.
Plate.
So, it's plates that move. So imagine a plate is like this, but it's way bigger, okay? So like it's like this. It goes very slowly, and when it gets pretend it's at the end.
It seems like Earth has a plate here, right?
And it's like at the end, right? Then kaboom, then it does this. You see here? It's like this. Then this. Well, it's the same thing.
Yeah, they move that way, and the other move that way, and then it gets.
Yeah, because it's like on it, right? And then it comes off, right? And then it goes fast.
Yeah, so as we see in the picture, Earth has a lots of layers and plates. So one of the plates go this side, and another plate go this side, and it happens.
Yeah. So
like
I'll do this way, you do this way. Like you do.
Yeah. So when plate moves to another plate,
like that,
then it cuts.
Wait. Bring it back when I say one. I have to count on one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's a very big one. Okay, an earthquake is what happened when 2 plates of the earth suddenly slip past on another.
Oh yeah, and if you do not know plates, I do have all of them. I could tell them to you, but I have all of them. I think I might know the real ones.
Yeah. Okay, we will see next time.
I'll do it next
there is another part too. So Nepal earthquake, 3rd November 2023.
Yeah,
so what happened, Lina? What happened in Nepal that time?
Oh,
you see, that's a Nepal.
I said Nepal. It did not happen in Kathmandu. It happened in
Jajarkot.
It happened in the epicenter.
So
but it's called
epicenter was in Jajarkot. Yeah. So it was like almost midnight. Sorry, not noon. Midnight. On November 3rd, 2023. Almost everybody's sleeping. Yeah, you're right. And then the earthquake happened. What's the
And then
scale?
Kathmandu kind of felt it.
Maybe
Even
not.
No, a little
We
bit.
don't know.
I asked one of our families on the phone that, did you feel a little bit of earthquake or did anything happen? Then they say we felt a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
just heard.
All right. Okay. Let's see what else happened here. The earthquake had magnitude of 6.4.
That's a lot.
Yeah, we will explain more in next video.
Yeah, this part too.
And it struck the remote and rural district of Rukum, west side, and Jazarkot. So Rukum and Jazarkot got a little bit not little bit, a lot. Lots of people died.
Yeah,
And the houses
over,
got destroyed.
Like over 100
And
something.
It's in the different slide. Yeah.
Oh, 150.
People have been reported killed and 100.
Over. So it's more than that.
And 100 more are injured. That's
Yeah.
pretty sad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go next one. So conclusion. So what we learned today? What we learned today from
So
this
we
video?
learned how earthquakes happen, and we also learned about a little bit of Nepal, where it happened,
And while they
and how to keep safe.
Yeah, it could be scary. Earthquake could be scary, and
Yeah,
it happens
let's read
because of
this.
the plates movement. And we learn what kind of
Let's read this.
things we see in the earthquake. Yeah, basically it's the same. Earthquakes are a natural part of our planet's movement.
While they can be scary, understanding them helps us prepare. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring our shaping world.
Okay. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching.
Leave us
Bye.
and
See you
play.
next video.
Bye.